Hello friend, welcome to a new video. So today market we see there is a breakdown and this is the channel pattern which we were talking in our last video, in yesterday's video. Here you can look at channel pattern breakdown. We were expecting 18200, 18150 and third gap fill level which was 18070. So now if you see today market went till 18130 and then in the last hour there was a sharp buying and market rebounded from those level. So if someone is holding for this gap level, then one can from the this area from the SL of this now support line, if you can see rising support line of this channel, now this will act as a resistance. So one can take or one can keep their SL with today's market high level. Okay, you can simply keep 18350. But if we see there was a sharp fall in today's session for the breakdown and it almost tried to hit its target level, or you can say the gap fill level. Now gap remains open and tomorrow is expiry, so there might be an attempt that gap there might be an attempt to fill this gap and then again continue the upward trend, or else if the buying resume, then we might see again Nifty taking resistance in the area of 18300 to 18325. Okay, now this is the area where Nifty might take again resistance if there is a again pullback on Nifty. So you might be open for both this condition, and if you don't like to trade on 5 minute or 1 minute chart in intraday, then you might also avoid now, because this channel target was near about to get complete, but there was a reversal in the last hour. Otherwise, if you see, the down move was pretty good. 75 to 80% of the target is completed. So there might be a possibility that we will end up in a sideways range. Okay, and we might trade between 18100 to 18250 level. Okay, and instead of jumping in, okay, instead of riding whole day trend, what you can do is you can scalp. Otherwise, one should wait for 18325 level. If it gets clear out in tomorrow's trading session, then one can take a long till 18400 and 18450. These two level we will now watch for. We will see whenever market tries to go above this support line of the channel, okay, which now will act as a resistance. If it tries to go above this line, then 100 to 200 point upside movement will open. If you want to take a short right now, what one can do is one can wait for 18130, which was today's low. Okay, 18130 level now will be the very important level. If market goes below 18130, then 18070, which is our gap fill level, will be the first level, and second 18k will be the next target level which one can play for. So now for stock, today we have taken two breakout counter, because we were seeing in today's fall this counter were able to hold up very well. In one counter there was a result, and second counter again a IT counter, which we see there was a good fall in that sector, but this counter was able to sustain that. So we see two counter which are showing a very good sign of potential breakout, and if Nifty also consolidate for the expiry, then there is no harm in playing these strong stock for next trading session. So moving towards Bank Nifty, if we see Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty is still sustaining. Okay, and Bank Nifty has shown similar kind of reversal in the last hour. So for Bank Nifty, if someone wants to play on a downside, then today's low will become a very important area. We were expecting 43,500 to be the key level, and if it goes below that, we will see fall. But in today's session, there was an attempt on Bank Nifty. It also went below these level, and again it reversed in the last hour. So if Bank Nifty goes below today's low, or we will keep the level 43,400 level. 43,400 level is quite important right now, and if it goes below this level, then we will see a fall till 43. We can expect a fall till 43k in the intraday. And on an upside, I would say one can wait for the all-time high level. Okay, 44,250, it will come around this level. Okay, and if someone wants to trade for the expiry, okay, then in that case one can wait for 44,000 level to take a trade. Otherwise, what usually will happen is market will try to go in sideways zone. Tomorrow is expiry as well, so market will try to go in a sideways, a kind of a consolidative mode, and that will, in that choppiness, we will get our stop loss hit. So for trendy move, these are the level which one could watch for. If you see Dow is not giving any signal. Dow is still in a sideways area. You can see Dow is trying to hold this area. If Dow gives a breakdown, then definitely Nifty will also show. But I think Dow will remain in a again sideways phase. And on Brent is also giving a sideways signal, so no clue from here as well. Now, two FNO counter, as I was discussing, one is now persistence. If you see this chart, okay, persistence, you can clearly see a flag pattern formation, okay, on this chart pattern with good volume in recent time. On the sell side, you can see when there was sell candle, we were seeing a decline in volume, and in recent 2 to 3 days, we are again seeing some volume interest here. Now, key level which you should all watch for is 4825. If this counter goes above 4825, then one can trade here. One can also try to take a positional kind of a setup here. But if someone wants to do intraday above 4825, you can go till 4900 first level, and second level is 5000. Okay, these level you can watch in intraday if it goes above 4825 level. Okay, this is a very good flag pattern, and near time resistance we can see is near about 5100. Okay, so if someone wants to do positional after breakout, then need to keep breakout candle low as an SL, and can play for this till this resistance level. Okay, now second counter is Jubilant Food. Here you can see there was a result, and after result we can see good volume here. Our counter was stuck from a quarter. Okay, and a very low risk kind of a setup can be one can take here is one can wait for today's high or 485 level. Okay, 485 level is taken out in today's in Jubilant chart, then one can try to go long side and keep a very minimal SL. The SL need to be near about the closing level. One can think of 480 kind of a level, so very small stop loss one can act here, and can expect 500 and 520. Okay, this is the key level which you can take for the intraday setup. Now this is it for the video. If you're liking our content, do hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe. I will meet you in the next episode.